C.
So we'll be learning the chorus and the little part before the chorus. I'll start with hands first. You're going to do O. Slide to the right and then down. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. So right arm is 90 degrees, left arm is straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then the leg, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So whichever arm is bent, the leg, corresponding leg will also be bent. So let's go do that. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now you will bend both of your legs like this. And then 1, 2. And then you're going to spin your hand inward. And while you're doing that, you're going to tilt your body to the right. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2. And then you're going to pop, like hit upwards. 1 and 2. So it's right and left. And then the feet is, while you do this, you're going to lift up your right leg and then lift up your left leg. Now all you're going to do with your hand is just down, up, down, up. It's like you're skiing and then you punch up. And the body is while you're skiing, you're going to pop your butt. And then when you come up, you'll pop your chest, kind of push a bit to the front. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. After this is you're going to stand like this with the feet open. Your wrists will be facing each other, and all you're going to do is just swing to the right, to the left, to the right, and back to the middle. While you're doing that, you're going to look in the same direction as your hand. And you're going to kind of like tilt your body a bit too. And then you're going to kind of like stomp on your left leg, and then you'll, like this, you're going to turn back, turn to the left, opposite way, and you're going to step and step. Yeah. Right, left, right, turn, and then, oh, and also when you're turning back, you're going to punch with your right hand. So with beats, with counts, this goes 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, punch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to hit your hand with the palm on the 6 and the 8. And on the 7, 8, you're going to bring your body to the front. Like you're kind of like swing your hip to the front, and then left, right, right. And then you can put your hand on your waist, and then move your shoulder up and down. Like you can emphasize on your right shoulder, so it can be right, left. So right, left, right, left. And you're going to step with your left first while you push your right shoulder up. So right, left. And you're just walking position. So this is the main chorus. And you're going to push to the top and then release. And make your arm horizontal. Release. Release. You have to like emphasize, especially on the downbeats. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first 3 beats, you're going to be extending your arm, and on the 4th, you're going to pop your hair. Twirl your right shoulder, kind of. While you do that, you're going to move your body too. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. And with the hand, it's going 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5, 6, and on the 7, you're going to open. At 8, you're going to pop it back like this. Yeah. And with leg is going to be the same throughout. All you're going to do is kind of like bend down like this, and you're going to push. You're going to push to the right first. You're going to push your butt to the right. While you're doing that, you're going to push your ankle to the right as well. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So with hand, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, So you're going to do with right arm first and then left arm. And while you're doing that, the leg, you're going to straighten one leg and then straighten the other leg. And you're going to jump together. So the count is going to be, start here, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next part, you're going to walk towards the front. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. And then with hand, you're going to cross your arm like this. Drawing, kind of like drawing half circles with both hands.
Venn diagram.
Venn diagrams. Venn diagram, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then with feet, it's going to, feet is right, left, right, up. Yeah. So combine. It's going 1, 2, 3, 4. Twice.
Oh!
We end up here. And now you're going to put your hand on your chest like this. While you're doing that, you're going to open your eyes. And then, so you open and open again. Except your hand, you're going to straighten them. And then you're going to do the opposite side. Then open. You're only going to tilt your body. So it's just left and right. Going up here, so it's open, then right. Yeah. And then we end up here. Now you can open your hand. And then you're going to do a zigzag for your butt. So you're going to do 1, 2, and 3, 4. So it's one left, right, and then you slowly take back. With hand, you go 1, 2, and 3, 4. Yeah. So with the body, with everything is we're here, like this, right? Left, right, back. So if you do it faster, so from here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Can you stop? Let me put it done another way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Can you stop? Let me put it done another way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and
기분 야수 같은 기분은 얘기만 해도 어지럽다니까 너 잘났어 정말 잘났어 정말 Oh here comes trouble Hey girl listen 너 잘났다 정말 Hey 너 잘났어 정말 Hey yo stop let me put it down another way